Hello everyone, welcome to today's class on chemical reactions and equations. In today's class, we will discuss as to how will we come to know whether a reaction has taken place or not. So to understand this, what we will do is we will see some reactions happening, and on the basis of the observations we make, we will try to understand as to what actually happens when a reaction takes place. So, observations would mean we have to observe when a reaction takes place whether a change is taking place in the state of the matter. That means we will see whether there is a change of state. We will see whether there is a change in the color. We will see whether there is evolution of gas. We will also observe whether there is a change in the temperature. So let us start observing the reactions. The first reaction is the burning of magnesium ribbon. So over to the reactions. You can see the magnesium is burned. It is burned means it is reacting with oxygen. So magnesium reacts with oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. So this white substance that you see is magnesium oxide. Let us see the next reaction. We have two conical flasks. In the first conical flask, we have potassium iodide. Second conical flask, lead nitrate. And let us mix these two solutions together, and you can see what happens. So you got a yellow precipitate of lead iodide. Let us see the next reaction. We have a little zinc. In one test tube we have hydrochloric acid. In one beaker we have hydrochloric acid. Second we have sulfuric acid. We put zinc in both of them and see what happens. You can see in both these beakers some gas is evolving, and you know very well it is hydrogen gas. Now let us understand these observations. Let us discuss these observations in detail. You know, when magnesium burned in air, you have seen it. It gives a white substance after the reaction, which is magnesium oxide. So this magnesium oxide is formed by the reaction between magnesium and oxygen. So you know, magnesium is in a solid state, oxygen is in gaseous state, and magnesium oxide, as you have seen, it is in the solid state. So you think there is a change of state? Obviously yes, oxygen is in the gaseous state and magnesium oxide is in the solid state. So you can see there is a change of state when this reaction took place. Now, apart from this, there are no other changes, like there is no evolution of gas. neither there is a major change in the color. So let us discuss the second reaction now. In the second reaction, we had made lead nitrate reacting with potassium iodide, and both these solutions are colorless, as you have observed. But when they reacted, this is a colorless solution. Lead nitrate is a colorless solution. Potassium iodide also is colorless. But after the reaction, you got lead iodide, which is yellow precipitate. Now let us examine once again the changes which has taken place when this reaction happened. You can see there is a change of state because lead nitrate and potassium iodide are in solution state, and the product is a solid lead iodide. And the other change is in the change of color. Both the solutions were colorless, but after the reaction we got a yellow precipitate. So there is a change of color. Here again, no evolution of gas, neither there is any change in the temperature. So let us examine the third reaction, where we made zinc reacting with HCl, hydrochloric acid, as well as sulfuric acid. And in both these cases, you observed the evolution of some gas, and you know which gas is evolved. It is hydrogen gas. So evolution of hydrogen gas happens when this reaction takes place. Now, is there a change of state? Yes, zinc is in the solid state, and hydrogen is in the gaseous state. Therefore, there is a change of state. Is there evolution of gas? Yes, there is evolution of hydrogen gas in this reaction. And in this case, if you had touched the sides of the conical flask, you would have observed change of temperature also, because this is an exothermic reaction. So there is a change of temperature also in this case. So in this particular reaction, there are three changes: change of state, evolution of gas, and change of temperature. All these three changes happened. So what it means is you can understand whether a reaction has taken place or not by seeing whether any of these changes or combination of these changes takes place. So when a reaction takes place, there can either be a change of state, or there can be a change of color, there can be change in temperature, as well as evolution of gas. So either any of this or combination of any of this can take place. So if you happen to see either of these four or combination of any of these, will give an idea that a reaction has taken place. So this is how we will know whether a reaction has taken place. You can observe more such reactions and find out. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next class. Bye.